Second problem. Given 4 points. First given points A, B, C, D. The distance of points A x1 y1, B x2 y2 is, write formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute values. x2 3 minus of minus 3, x1 3 minus of minus 3 whole square plus y2 1 minus 5 whole square. 3 minus into minus plus 3 whole square, 1 minus 5 minus 4 whole square. 3 plus 3 6 square minus 4 whole square 16 minus 4 into minus 4 minus into minus plus 16. 36 plus 16 52. AB complete. Next you find BC. The distance of points B 3, 1, C 0, 3 is BC equal to square root of, right formula, substitute the values. 0 minus 3 whole square plus y2 3 minus 1 whole square. 0 minus 3 minus 3, 3 minus 1 2 whole square, minus 3 whole square, minus 3 into minus 3 9, minus 3 minus plus 2 square 4 root 30. Next CD. The distance of points C 0, 3, D minus 1, minus 4. Take x1 by 1, x2 by 2. CD equal to, right formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus 1 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus 4 minus 3 whole square, minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 whole square. Here power is even, minus becomes plus 1 square 1, 1 into 1 1, minus becomes plus, y power is even. 7 square 14 root 50. The distance of points BC complete, CD complete, DA. D x1 y1, A x2 y2. Right formula. D equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus 3 minus x1 minus of minus 1 minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus y2 5 minus minus 4 minus of minus 2 plus 4 whole square, minus 3 here direct right minus of minus actually, minus 3 minus of minus plus 1 square, 5 plus 4 9 square, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 whole square plus 9 square, minus 2 whole square, minus 2 into minus 2 4, 9 square 81 root 85. Here different AB root 52, BC root 13, CD root 50, DA root 85. AB not equal to BC not equal to CD not equal to DA. Different. The given sides form a trapezium. It is a trapezium. Not equal. All sides are not equal. So it is a trapezium. Suppose all sides are equal, it is a rhombus. All sides are equal and diagonals also equal, it is a, all sides are equal and diagonals also equal, it is a square. Here all sides are not equal, so it is a trapezium. Next third problem. The given points, 4 points A, B, C, D. The distance of points A, first AB take x1 y1, x2 y2. AB equal to, right formula, x2 minus square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute the values. 7 minus 4 whole square, y2 minus y1, 6 minus 5 whole square, 7 minus 4 3 square, 6 minus 5 1 square, 3 square 9, 1 square 1, 9 plus 1 10. AB complete. Next to BC. The distance of points BC, x1 y1, x2 y2. Formula, square root of x2 minus x1 4 minus 7 whole square plus y2 3 minus 6 whole square. 4 minus 7 minus 3, which is the biggest, greatest? 7. 7 sign minus, so minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 6, which is the greatest? 6. 6 sign minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square 9, minus 3 whole square 9. 9 plus 9 18. Root 18 written as 9 into 2. Root 9 written as 3. Root 9 value 3. So 3 root 2. AB complete, BC complete. Next CD. The distance of points C 4, 3, D 1, 2. Write formula. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1. Substitute the values. X2 1 minus 4 whole square plus y2 2 minus 3 whole square. 1 minus 4 minus 3 whole square. 2 minus 3, which is the greatest? 3 sin minus 1 whole square. Minus 3 whole square also 9, minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 into minus 1, minus in minus plus 1 into 1, 1. Root 10. The distance of points DA, D x1 y1, A x2 y2. Write formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 4 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 5 minus 2 whole square. 4 minus 1 3, 3 square. 5 minus 2 3, 3 square. 3 square 9, 3 square 9. 9 plus 9 18. Root 18 written as 9 into 2. Root 9 value 3. So 3 root 2. Here we observe AB equal to root 10, CD equal to root 10, and AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. Next one, BC equal to 3 root 2, DA equal to 3 root 2. Opposite sides AB, BC, CD, DA. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides AB, CD, opposite side. So given sides form a parallelogram. Given sides form a pair. Opposite sides are equal. It is a parallelogram. Suppose A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Next one. This is the two lines take B, C, D, or A, D. Opposite sides are equal. It is a parallelogram. All sides are equal. All sides are equal and diagonals also equal. It is a square. Here all sides are not equal. It is a trapezium. Opposite sides are equal. The pair of opposite sides are equal. Parallel. It is a parallelogram. Only opposite sides A, B, C, D, B, C, D, A.